What's going on, guys? Dag back out here doing what we always do. Guess what I got? Look at that, baby! Yeah! LV-10 Leo Vince carbon fiber, matches the bike scheme, red, green. You probably already know what it sounds like if you did see those videos, but here it is again. Much raspier, throatier. It sounds awesome. I'll give it a few revs. God, it's so much louder. I almost have to wear earplugs now. It's so much louder. Yeah, it is. Wow, I have to get used to this or just wear earplugs. Because my God, this is actually loud as balls, boys. Oh, it sounds so much nicer though. God, I put this off for the longest time. I mean, I got the bike last year. I never thought I'd get myself a slip-on. I thought I'd save money and just do a full system on a bigger bike. But I figured out I'm just going to be keeping this bike, so I might as well make it sound and look a lot nicer, get rid of some weight. It like reduces 6 pounds having this exhaust on it. The stock exhaust is like 8.5 pounds. Definitely gonna get more looks now. Good or a bad thing, I don't know. And I have a clear visor on right now too, damn it. I'm just gonna go on like a short ride because it's gonna rain soon. This is just one of those mods where it's like, I just decided to do it one day. Hey, and here it is. I got it. Now we're going through town and we're gonna terrorize everyone, damn it. No, gotta put my tinted visor down now. Let's see how loud I can get though, boys. That is loud. It's a loud lawnmower, baby. Oh, should I have kept the stock exhaust on? Nah. All right, at a stoplight. Surprisingly, the vibrations are like non-existent still. I mean, like before it wasn't bad. It still isn't bad from that exhaust down there. I'm not really feeling any difference in that aspect. It's just way louder. I never thought this bike could get that loud, if I'm being honest. That's crazy, wow. Well, now we know what this bike is capable of, despite it just being a 400. Oh my God, that's crazy. It makes the bike sound a hell of a lot better, and if you want to make your 400 sound a little bit nicer, a little bit louder, there you go. I know this has been just purely kind of just ASMR, lawnmower 3.0. I love this bike so much and it sounds great right now. Unless there's a baffle that I can buy for this bike, my God, because there is no baffle in there right now. Currently there's nothing. So if a baffle makes this a little bit quieter, maybe that would be a good choice because it is loud as f right now. All right, well, I'm gonna leave it here, boys. Remember to keep on running, be safe, and enjoy your life. I'll see you all in the next video. This was really fun, and I'm so happy I got this exhaust.